Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack John Senzomiyu and the stuff that is actually escalating before Upelunyaka. I'm just like, speaking when and how did we get here without control? I'm just like, you're busy choosing people, wrong people. Like, in the case. UJP, Elebelus is chilling UJP, Judge President, Nayo. Are you right? The justice system in South Africa is in another level I've never seen. And they're not trying to make it right. They're just making it worse. You know, today's video actually is inspired by my beautiful subbies. The 100 people who have been supporting me for the past 2 years. Who are singing with these two videos? These videos, as you two, for the past 3 days, they took other directions. When I started to speak about ukwabini ifanele zadudulu enziwe izinto and sibukele, you know, and it has happened to so many witnesses. Some witnesses didn't even come to testify because they were scared. Please guys, come. No, they couldn't come. Toko, they came there and lied. Badla ngisho imali Netflix. Ngeke into abangakazi basibayenza umthoko. And Usifiso Meyiwa continues to say, umthoko, ngisaphuza mina naye when I was still drinking. I'm actually born again now. We're born again, Usifiso Meyiwa, guys. You know what? When you used to sit there drinking, he'll be like, no. Ulongwe, guys. Ulongwe, ngeke. I remember very well. It was him. But into yakhona yagqitshwa. Ulongwe has been shielded so many years. Umngomezulu wathi lalela Ulongwe. Uphi umngomezulu today, guys? What happened to him? And one of my subbies even said, actually a few, especially in 2024, but uyawudla umuthi lenje besho ugininde. But uzomsiza lo muthi until when? Noma ngabe involved in a cult, uyomsiza kuze kube lo muthi. Guys, why would you think kuthiwe awumbiwa ndawonye and uyaphela? Eventually, this is just gonna be like uzovele abe impuphu. It won't end well, guys, with Ukininde. Actually, everyone was involved in DPP twisting things up with these two cases. 636 lo esikuwona manje suhlalela manje siwahlalela ukuthi they were intruders in that house. Mase kuzoba 375 thina lesofunda esifuna uMakhubo, who's actually been reported ukuthi he has actually resigned uMakhubo. Manje akusekudala uMakhubo beginning of this year. Babahlafaza umnyango wakhe awukhahlela. Unknown people. Kanti inside the house there's Makhubo's son. They didn't get in. Everyone, guys, who is a witness must be intimidated in this case. Until when? And then people who have power in this case come and trash people and speak ill about people who are coming to tell the truth in that court. In the trial, things are crazy. We had to adjourn, guys, early, cause Urasa bamhlebela something. But you know, actually, when you must twist things around now, you won't look good in your casket. They mustn't papa you abantu. Because she didn't imagine that people are after. Okay, guys. Who wants to assassinate Rata? Guys, I've been repeating it now 3 times. This is a third video. Okay, guys, he's making up stories. Less alone go to Kininda Nai he is actually making up stories with omnis. And the fellow he chose well. My is and omnis. What is the shoes about? Who has a shoes about Lumgano? Go answer Jack and Jay. What I know, omnis, even South Africans, they know what's as one. Just because omnis is telling him the truth, we must twist things around. Because in the case, we can't be losing people every day because Uprikatia Kininda. And like I said, this video is actually inspired by you guys, my subbies. Someone said, yeah, something I've never seen like that. But I'm just like, I'm seeing it. I can see right through Gininda in any music. I was also Gininda. Gay asos. Nikuthatha block. I know. Akusibona abantu abasendlini. In fact, uKelly uyi-mastermind. But mase sukubuza umshawulelo ukuthi uyi-mastermind makwenze njani uKelly? When are you gonna arrest her? Uyele. He was in a prime suspect. Njani, guys, when she was in the house. How is she not? How is she not? A prime suspect. She is. There was even a story which actually she hated Senzo Mayu around 2013, as far back as 2013. She wanted him gone. How? You see, no, actually, that's not the story. Ulong. How? So long if manje short sense. Akusasena futhi uKelly Khumalo. Is she not a mastermind that sent accused number 5 money to pay everyone? Guys, we are so tired of these stories. This make believe, believe. We are exhausted. Now things have come out manje. It's again from my subbies. Like I said, there's a story ngizibone kanjalo ukuthi uGininda, could he be the serial killer? I'm just like, I'm done. Bye. Who is serial unalive? Who is serial deleter? How? Gatsy gay, guys. This is beyond me now. And Dominia was just saying, and this morning actually, another subscriber said to me, Brigadier Bongani Gininda has gotten away with a lot of things, and is still gonna get away with this and go back again to be a general at this time, not even a brigadier. But the Sabi just said, Uzobuyela emsebenzini again aye subs. I mean, I even think he's gonna be a general. Guys, uGininda, this is not the first time. I got another case here. UGininda, this is not the first time he arrests people that didn't do anything to him. There he doesn't even know from a bar of soap. It's not the first time that he arrested or accused about 5. It's not the first time. I had a case here around October. I even mentioned it in one of my videos. Okay, these are not the first people he arrests that didn't do anything to him. I'm just like, they're looking in there, he's a millionaire. Like how Fanny Masemula was saying, imali unemali engakanani, even umkhwanazi washo. General Mkhwanazi ukuthi, subs guys, people don't earn like 200,000 a month. But see, one day I did ask Uguti, when I went to do an affidavit, Uguti, a police station, how much do brigadiers earn? Someone said that police station, he was a constable, they earn about 100,000. Gininda ufuna in. Isn't 100,000 enough, guys, to take care of your family? Ufuna zinye imali wena. Amanye envelopes on the side that are not right. It's guys, those envelopes. You're gonna continue until when? Alright, guys, this thing is just so unfair. I need justice for Mkaya for Mkaya. Someone also said here, one of the subbies here, Uguti. No Swiss Mayu involved. I was just like, bye. I'm done. Like, guys. And with Fiso Mayu, guys, has repented in so many things. That's why he's like, for example, Upuza and all of that is now born again. He actually works for Subsys Pingo in case it end Muntulo. Now how he is now involved in his brothers unaliving. That's what was the first part. Like I've never even thought about it. That's one. Go out just like Umkaya Usfiso, how could he be involved? Like that took me to other things. I was just like, how gang. I can't. Ugubon. No, like how? Ugubon fine get ushaga guys wabula abafowabo. Let's just agree on that one. Right? But the condition is to a border man. Good about the day. Can't be. How could this be? Please. Okay, I don't agree. Nangu kumbuzo. Is Ginida an unaliver that is shielded by subs? Uyazbuza. And then you will agree because you just like, no. Umadlanga taught us other things. We saw other things at ad hoc. We like, yeah, boo. This could be the truth. He's done it so many times. He's just like, what are you going to do? But you saw his attitude, this guy. On that stand. How he goes on. How he fabricated. How Umnisi, actually Umnisi is the only person that used the word. What you fabricated this. What you cooked and manufactured. This whole thing. You sat down and created a movie out of it. Uyagula wena. Kwase kushoda ukuthi amtshele kanjalo advocate. Late advocate Mngomezulu. Yeye ngamufuni ugininde emfuni ehambile. Akahambanga yini? Guys, ziningi izinto esezenzekile kule case. Abantu bayakhala bathi ngeke. We need a turnaround in this case. We need a breakthrough. That's what I said around October. Ngathi ngeke before the end of the year we need a breakthrough. Azivalanga yini before time zivalela into engekho. You are not ready to adjourn so early. Like why? That's what I say. Yes, sihamba abantu they want to papa was ngeke leave us alone. Bafuna no baloyi. How? Ngathi wena nje kuphela like bakufuna nabantu no baloyi. Nje abantu bangayenza ngoba baloyi guys. When he betrayed us so much baloyi into esingayenza ngayo. Kahle. The justice system nje kahle hlena is ruled by cartels. Yeah. Kunama syndicates, little syndicates, a few cartels here and there. Zero one. Those are small sila second. Cry our beloved country. Boo scoop. In was business matters for you. Hey. In Tina as a country, this is our country. At the end of the day, we are the ones that pay tax. By the way, YouTube yakho tax, ngakhohlwa bakuthathi. Mangabhadali tax. Is that the first thing bafuna nje? Number yakho eyamike is Spain is from 1997 tax number bayifuna la YouTube bafuna idory bayathatha shem kahle nje tax. We have to pay tax for YouTube. They don't play with you. But like what's going on? You have submitted everything. Where is your tax number? Oh, we're in 2024 when I submitted my stuff bakubhadala lapho futhi baphinde bangidemonetize as abaseng bayangmonetize this year March. So nje, please guys, today we are paying tax everywhere at work, ebo. Skokelo kininda. Beno baloyi. Basically, to lie at the court. Uyaqholo baloyi. Jobu mbonda nje qamba mangala phana. Khona umunye uthe usese waba mubi worse ubaloyi. He's not getting any better. Ngoba he's got blood in his hands. Beno mngane wakho Brigadier Kininda. Ha, guys, I was just like guys. People see them. People see right through them. Sometimes you feel like, am I the only person who can see right through these people? No, you're not. Sababona lapho. Ucabanga ukuthi bazobuya futhi on the 19th and come and lie to us. Continue to lie and tell us crap in the courts and hogwash. Ucabanga ukuthi sizobabukela. Asidlali nabo. Sifune yithi inquiry like we said. Asifune Madlanga, asifune Zondo, asifune Kabinde, those are actually exhausted, those inquiries. We want to create our own. For Senzomi was trial. Sikatela Tina, Senzomi was mad, lazy, ekala, year in, year out, yakal, Senzomi, until Atukeli Kumalu to her end of 2024. Here's our Yabantu baby Kala no me gubi. Who even says that, guys? When you are the one that actually invited Senzomi Gin. And I've always said, guys, and maintained, Uguti. Okay, look, Kumalo. Tin, Senzomi Simfuna again. In a way, when you think about it, though, Gambona Untomzon to Mawak, Benozantile Luagubona Manga, Wagangene court towards you guys. Eshoku accused about 5. You don't know what you've done to my family. What's your wishes? Please help us. Can you sit down and leave us alone with that story? That broken record yako manga that you just created. When you just came, you and she just came in court. Can you really, bruh, say those things to people that you know from angazi way? You don't know those 5 accused guys from a bar of soap who are figuring out, you guys, you don't know what you've done to my family. Those people didn't do anything to your family, bruh. Please stop. You and your family made a pact. You and you, we asked with that pact, you nayenza nobody. And in your to news and get nicotine in a pact. When you accuse about 5 bangers and benze next. Just as much as guys who accuse always 5, upumile na se ad hoc, ufiso kutlontul. He's there to clear his name. I was giving off him gulu to offer guluva from like I don't know where. Or Opumayo jealous sometimes to unalive people some more, like how Peggy said dead ad hoc. But Loamutagazam unalive sense of me, that is important to us. Umshololo is there for that. Agazi looks like Imalia see. She's not there, Guzodli Malia Silicalate, Umshololo 717. She wants to clear accused number 5's name. That's all she's there for. Boba 200 there for that. Goba Ubrikati Yakin the guys. As was Gumiek. To continue next year and tell us lies. And mind it, just now he was twisting things. And Durasa wants us to allow it. We never allowing him Petonji. Ugusiman is gonna be assassinated by Umnisi and his entourage. But Nakona Bampilo, entourage Umnisi as a lap, Abangan Bakini, Babangan Bakwabin get Uncle Umnis. So I'm getting no way, but apart from fire pirates inside. But those people who are sitting there at the back, Umnisi brought them there to unalive Ubrigadiakinid. And we must believe that thing. Shame. HELL, no. It will never happen. Kotla. Asikona lapho nje futhi thina-ke. Hayi, we're not even there. Ngapha nibhizi bakhahlelo accuse bonke senibathathe manje senibafaka esitokisini esisodwa. I'm like, why? Nizogena in from that. And it's Kininda's doing. It's not even anyone's. It was his doing. Qala nje accused number 3 ukuthi ahlale ku-solitary confinement. Nje, before we go anywhere. Wayivele emhlalisi lapho. Kanjani guys? Akukagwethu. You haven't been convicted. There's nothing wrong with you. Namanje kwakuthiwa unama-dreadlocks ungenawo. We were forced. Kumanje siyaforced ukuthi umuntu obulale uDJ Warasi unama-dreadlocks fasakanawo. Uboshiwe umntana abantu. Uyabona ukuthi njalo nje kuboshwa abantu abangekho right. Akukho right. Guys, engingakhohlwa futhi uRathak ngivala ngaleyo manje. uRatha is the same guy, right? Owake wa convictor a guy 200 years ongenzele lutho uRatha. Please don't forget that. Phela nama I've been googling him. Jobe hlale kuzenza nje Mr. Experience. I have 50 years experience. JP loves me. The judge president Umlambo is in love with me. Uyangithanda. This is why I'm here. In the sense of me, Casey, retired judge at 79. I'm turning 80 next year. Yeah, I'm the best. Really? Please do not. Stina Lapo, guys. Thank you so much. Ngintanda over. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Ngintanda over.